Namaste, brothers and sisters, friends. My name is Rameshwar. I'm an Indian. I have to tell you today because all 128 countries, coronavirus is there. So many people suffering and disappointed. So today I'm sharing my knowledge, what I studied with my masters, Gurujis, with my father and my grandfathers. So there is a 3 steps is there. 3 steps. The first step, this is the neem. This is the neem leaves. What we have to do with the neem leaves, we have to take the neem leaves when we are sleeping in the bedroom or in the hall, anyway, in a home. We have to keep around where we are sleeping, top of the head, this. So that is gives any infection or any virus is there in our lungs. So we will breathe the air, it's purified. There won't come any virus. So this is the neem leaves. This is the point number 1. And after point number 2, this is the haldi. This is the haldi. Haldi means this is the turmeric powder. See, this is the turmeric powder. So we have to use, this time is very important, we have to use the hot water. After breakfast, after lunch, after dinner, we have to drink, we have to take 1 glass of water, hot water, and we have to put this much, the turmeric powder in that, like this, and we have to mix that in the water, and we have to drink that. So this is, we have to do every day. That is very good for health, and no any virus or any cough or any fever, anything. It's give strength and also positive energy also. And after, there is the third step is there. The third point means we have to take the rice. This is the rice actually. This is the rice. See, this is the rice. What we have to do, we have to take 1 white cloth, means like a cotton cloth, any cloth, like a black or white, green, anything, whatever is there in your home. We have to take 1 piece of cloth, like this much of. We have to cut the cloth, and this much of, we have to take the 1 cloth, and we have to put the rice in that cloth. Rice means, see, we have to put like this rice, like that, like this in the cloth. And this is the camphor. This is the camphor. See, nice. This is the camphor. So in this camphor, we have to put the little bit in the camphor in this. Actually, in this, we have to put this much of camphor in this, and after we have to put the turmeric powder. So the first step is rice and the camphor and the turmeric powder. Okay, and like only 1 leaf. Okay, we have to take the 1 leaf, like 1 leaf, this leaf, and we have to put the leaf there. We have to pinch like this. We have to pinch like this nicely, and we have to put like a leaf and turmeric powder and the rice and the camphor. 4 things. How many things? 4 things. We have to put like this, and we have to close it like this, and we have to do like this. Okay, like this. So we have to close everything, and we have to close, and we have to tag in the thread. So we have to make like this. So this one, and after we have to keep like a long thread like this, and we can put like this for the children's, for the elders, for youngers, for everybody. This is actually, it gives positive energy, and also it won't give any cough, fever, and no any virus. So please use this. I'm requesting for all the people, friends, please follow this. And all the media channels, they're explaining everybody we have to wash the hands, and we have to wash the face, and we should not go to the outside, and so that is the very, very good. We have to follow that. Okay, and we have to put the mask also, we have to follow that. But please, I am requesting, friends, please follow this one what I explained now. Okay, my video. So please subscribe my share and